AI technology expected to revolutionize industries worldwide.
The new AI system helps diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy.
AI robots begin taking over jobs in manufacturing and retail industry.
The recent advancements in AI technology have been nothing short of groundbreaking, with the applications spanning from healthcare to retail to climate change, from autonomous vehicles to chatbots to medical imaging tools. AI is transforming the way we live and work. And we are here in SAS Hackathon 2023, challenging ourselves to build an innovative application that creates a meaningful impact across the industries that strongly believes in data analytics is the way forward.
Hi, my name is Mayur. I am a senior BI developer at Poston Norge.
Hi, I'm Mitesh. I am senior BI developer.
Whether you are a data analyst, business user, or a student, SAS GPT can help you get the answers you need to make informed decisions.
Just ask the chatbot what you need. With SAS GPT, say goodbye to complex coding and say hello to plain and simple instructions.
This is Fruda, a business analyst who works for a reputed company. He spends most of the time going through the reports and analyze datasets. He develops best practices for data collection and analyze current processes so that it can be improved to the greatest extent possible. He suggests solution-oriented changes that improve an organization's overall efficiency, including process optimization, cost reduction, and identifying fresh business opportunities. But there is a problem. The hurdle. Not everyone is technical and knows how to write programs. Analyzing data can be a time-consuming process, especially for people who do not know much about programming. With so much data available, it can be hard to find new insights without spending a lot of time analyzing data. SAS GPT can empower users and enable them to do more with less with maximum accuracy. But how? Just by writing instructions in plain English language and possibly in your own native language near soon. SAS GPT app provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for users to interact with the app. When you want to analyze the data, you write SAS code something like this. It's not difficult but definitely time-consuming. Let me introduce you a new way of doing this. How about replacing this code with a simple prompt? You can simply write, "Can you create line plot chart that displays sales by day for each store?" That's it. With no time, you receive the output. How cool is that? This is the real power of SAS Viya Python, an AI model that runs on the natural language processing. Here we are using SAS Cloud Analytics Services, Python, and REST API to run a SAS GPT application. In this high-level architecture of SAS GPT application, there are majorly three components are involved. First, web application, which is built in Python Flask. The second, SAS GPT model, which has three main components. The last one, SAS Data Warehouse, where we use SAS Cloud Analytics Services. All the three components are very well interconnected to each other. In this beautiful application, you can ask your data-related questions. For example, you want to see sales by day by store, and SAS GPT will return with the exact information you wanted to see. Let's take one more example. Now you want to calculate average product revenue by quarter. And here we go. Simple, straightforward, but very useful platform. SAS GPT platform can be a great help to discover new insights that you may have missed otherwise, and simplifies data analysis processes. With the help of SAS GPT, unleash the power of innovation with the data analytics and AI to create meaningful impact.